Daylight Time. At 2:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Apalachicola, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The dangerous storm will be near Apalachicola around 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. East Point around 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Franklin, Florida.
Whoa!
These are the 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time conditions at the Tallahassee Airport.
You know when your signal's bad? When the white EAR-10 doesn't activate on the first header.